Yes, then last but not the least is margin. Margin is used to create space outside an element. It is the space between two elements on the same page. And here just create again paragraph 20. Then just start with this one, give it a BG of blue. BG of, let's say, red, then 200. And I want it to have a padding on all the side of 6 and a border of 2 and a small typo and a border color, let's say pink. Then got the shades, let's say 500. Yes, you can see at the border. And yes, now you get a point. We have the the space around the element inside the border. Here is the padding, then we have the border. Then now we are going to see the margin. And the margin, as I told you, is the space between outside an element. Let's copy this, paste it here. And here just change the background color. Instead of just put orange, then the border, I want purple. Yes, and you can see that uh, those two elements, there is no space between these two elements. What I want is to put some space between these two paragraphs. For that, you should use the margin. And for margin, you need just to write M, then the margin you want. For example, here I'll just put 24 to make it visible. Yes, you can see the the space now between these two elements in the web page. We have the first paragraph and the second paragraph. You may ask why this now is like center, because I put 24 on all the sides. Maybe if you want to put only on top, you should just put empty. Then you will see the space will be only on the top. Let me just reduce maybe to 10. Then you can see the space now is only on the top. Yes, that the margin consists of is the space between two elements in the web page. Padding is inside and margin is outside an element. Yeah. So let's continue. You may want to just copy this one to have the margin on both the side, on the left side and the right side. For that, you should just put mx, put margin on the right and the left. You can see here now we have margin on the right, on the left, not on the top and the bottom. Next, you may want the margin on the y-axis, top and the bottom. For that, you should put margin y and just paste. You can see here now we have margin on top and the bottom. Then next, oh yes, I've already write this. I'll just take this vertically, then is horizontally. Then you may want margin only on the top. That need just put it here. But not on the bottom here. Put margin only on top. You may want the margin only on the right of an element. As you know, for that is R here. Then you see we have the margin only on the right. And next, you may want to have margin only on the bottom of an element. That is MB. You can see now we have margin only on the bottom of this element. Then we want also margin on the left of an element. So now you see we have margin only on the left of this element. Yes, here there's space because we put margin on the bottom here. That's why we have space here. But here is the margin is only on the left of this element. Yes, I think you get an idea about padding the space inside, then the border, then margin the space outside an element. Yes, if you want to go deep, don't hesitate to go on the documentation, which is excellent. You will get all the detail right there. Here, I want just to show you how to use margin in Tailwind CSS, how to use those utility classes. But if you want more detail, just go check their documentation. Yes, I think we finished with this this video. Then see you next. Yes.